My name is Marie van Aals. I'm currently working at GAIN as an analytics translator. So I graduated over 5 years ago, and you see that AI and data technology is changing at a very fast pace. And then this bootcamp was a nice opportunity to focus and on the soft skills, but also on the hard skills. It actually exceeded my expectations. And coming in, I actually see that I did everything I expected, plus much more. So I really feel like there was a lot of room to choose what I wanted to learn, but also be shown that there is more than just what I thought I needed to learn. So in that sense, I think it's a really great training as well. Okay, so the presentation moments were both very cool, but also a bit nerve-wracking, because obviously you're standing in front of a big crowd all of a sudden, and while I do give presentations for my work, we have a very short time to go from the beginning all the way to the end of a delivered use case. So that was something that was definitely a bit out of my comfort zone, but I think that also brings me to something I really learned, is that I can be more confident in my capabilities. Yeah, so my advice for the next group that will do the bootcamp would be to stay curious, to ask questions. I think there is a great group of trainers who are really passionate about the subjects they teach. They're also experts. There hasn't been a single question that we've asked that they haven't been able to answer. So you can really learn a lot.